Our beauty industry is all about creativity. And at L'Oréal, our culture is all about togetherness. Hybrid is now the new norm. It's a given. And that's why our challenge is really to make sure that we'll sustain creativity and togetherness. And that's why Microsoft is the best support to enable these new ways of working in terms of collaboration, co-creation, co-innovation, without any boundaries, without any friction.
We are entering into a hybrid mode where digital technology will be combined with the physical real world, and the two will be complementary. We will keep the engagement physically with the teams, but we will be able to engage as well virtually via Teams.
Beauty advisors are able to connect within their country, within their community, within their brand, and share content through Microsoft Teams. We have also digitalized our trainings and education, and now you can access any content, anytime, anywhere, any device.
When we look at the attendance for our digital upskilling series masterclasses, it used to reach about 10 people. Now we've just broadcast a Teams link and we're near the 2000s.
In this hybrid world, the objective for L'Oréal is to facilitate the co-creation between our employees. And clearly here, Teams is enabling us to sustain this culture of togetherness. We believe that this tech transformation will shape the future of our beauty industry.